In this Revizto training session, we're going to be focused on recording a walkthrough inside of the Revizto project. Recording a walkthrough can be found inside the 3D environment and is the first tool from the right of the application. Whenever I choose on this tool, you'll see that I have the ability to enable my microphone. I can see my last recording, and I can also initiate recording here. Whenever I initiate recording, now I can begin to walk through the project, recording my actions and allowing these actions to be saved in the project and distributed among team members and even exported. As you can see, as I complete my walkthrough here and I finalize this, when I choose the stop button, that video is recorded in the project and can be played back right here. Now, once that video is recorded, it is saved in the project, and we can access all of our project recordings directly here. Under these options, this is where we can come up and we can export as well as delete any of these recordings that we have here in the project.